Hello everyone. Today I present you a diagram of the topic digestive system of ruminants. This topic and this diagram is taken from the class 7th chapter 2 science NCERT. So as you can see, do you know what are ruminants and what do they do? So the ruminants are the animals which eat grass. They are basically grass eating animals and they only consume cellulose, and grass is rich in cellulose. So cellulose is basically a type of carbohydrate. So in this diagram, as you can see, when we give the food to the ruminants like the grass eating animals, they quickly swallow the grass from their esophagus and they carry it to a specific part of their digestive system called the rumen, where the grass is stored. Then when it is also called as the first stomach of their body. Then there is their actual stomach, where there are digestive juices to store the grass, and this is the caseum. It is also a type of part, and this is their large intestine from where they secrete the waste, and this is their small intestine from where the food goes through. So in the ruminants, they quickly swallow up the grass and then they store it in the rumen for a time, and when they have their whole food, then they take it back to their mouth and chew it properly, and then return it to the rumen, and then it goes in the stomach, and it is absorbed by the stomach and the digestive juices. So this is how the digestive system of ruminants work. Thank you.